National 5 biology students, let's do this past paper question together. This one says the diagram shows an experiment to investigate the conditions needed for photosynthesis. All 4 tubes contain pondweed and water. Which 2 tubes should be compared to show the effect of light on photosynthesis? Okay, so the effect of light on photosynthesis. So as soon as you see a question that talks about comparison, we're thinking about a control experiment, okay? Now, in a control experiment, we have the absence of the thing that we're investigating, okay? So the thing we're investigating is the effect of light. So for a control experiment, we're looking for one which has no light, okay? So we're looking to compare a tube that has one has light and one that has no light, okay? But everything else in the experiment should remain the same apart from that one change. So let's have a look at our options for that. We've got 2 that are in light and 2 that are in dark, okay? So can we compare tubes 1 and 3? Well, 1 is in the light, 3 is in the dark, so that's all good. And they also have the same carbon dioxide concentration, so 1 and 3 would be useful to compare. However, if we look at our answers, there's no 1 and 3 there, okay? So let's see any other ones where we've got a light and a dark. Well, 1 and 4. Now the problem with 1 and 4 is, yes, we have a light and one in the dark, that's great, but the carbon dioxide concentration is also different, and we are only allowed to change one variable at a time, and that would be changing 2 variables, so it can't be 1 and 4. Can it be 1 and 2? Well, no, because that has light, and we're looking for light and dark. We also change another variable there, which we shouldn't be changing. Can it be 2 and 3? Well, we've got light and dark, which is great. Okay, so that's a good comparison there. However, the carbon dioxide concentration is also changing. Okay, those are different, so therefore that one is not useful to compare either. And if we look at 2 and 4, well, we can see 2 is in the light, 4 is in the dark. That's perfect. That's what we want to show the effect of light. And also, the carbon dioxide concentration remains the same, and that's also what we want. So the answer for this one is going to be 2 and 4. Okay, hope that helps, folks. See you in the next one.